This tutorial will be looking at how to find information using the Cochrane Library. The Cochrane Library is used for finding systematic reviews and clinical trials information. Once again, we'll be starting on the Medical Center Library homepage so that we can access the full text of the articles that we find. If you scroll down to the selected databases section of the homepage, you'll see that the Cochrane Library is the fifth link in the left column. But before we do our search, we need to look at the tutorial question. So I'm going to switch over to the PowerPoint. The question is, Jimmy is a 5-year-old with a large wart on his hand. His previous warts have been burned off using cryotherapy, a treatment he found painful. His mother read on the internet about using duct tape to remove warts and wants to know if it will work. And now I'm going to switch back to Cochrane. Alright, so let's go to the advanced search under the search bar. Click here on the right. From the question, we know that we need articles that compare cryotherapy to duct tape to alleviate warts. In the search bar, we'll type warts, duct tape, cryotherapy. Once you run this search, it is clear that there is only one result listed under the Cochrane Reviews tab. You could also limit this search using the left sidebar, either by date or language, type, or topics. But because we only have one result, there isn't a need to do this. If you open up the review and review the abstract by clicking its title, it will show you that this article will hopefully contain the information that you need. And that concludes our tutorial on the Cochrane Library.